Today, I'm going to talk about how to install a emulator for TI-84 Plus calculator. You can search for this website for TI-84 operation system. The TI-84 Plus graphing calculator is ideal for high school math and science. It is very helpful in SAT or AP exams. Its math print feature engaged students by enabling them to enter fractions and equations in proper notation so that they see it on the display exactly as it's printed in the text and on the board. So you can check this website for the TI-84 specification. Let's click. So you search for TI-84 Plus graphing calculator, you will see the specification right here. So there are several models: TI-84, TI-84 Plus, TI-84 Plus Silver Edition, TI-84 Plus C Silver Edition. I think C is color, and then TI-84 Plus CE version. And nowadays, the newest one is this TI-84 CE version. So let's look at the demonstration for installation. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to download the WabbitEmu emulator and download a TI OS and to install the TI calculator on your personal computer. First, you need to download WabbitEmu 64-bit. So you click, and then you need to save to somewhere. So let's actually save to this directory called TI. So under here, I save this one to TI. Okay, it's downloaded. Next one, you will need to search for the internet for the TI-84 OS download. So this one, you can choose this one over here, TI-84 Plus operation system. To click this one. And then right here, there's a download image. So here, download this one and download to the same directory. So I already have a version there, so I cancel it, but you can download to the same directory. After that, you go to your directory, and then you have this WabbitEmu. You double click it. The first time you visit this one, you do create ROM image using open source software and click next. And you select this one, TI-84 Plus, and click next. And then you do browse operation system from my computer. And then take this one, and then finish. And it come out with this one. And the size is not right. So you actually click here and it says size. And you try to resize it and you will get a right TA calculator. So let's try 9 times 6. So it worked. Thank you.